And Kamloops.
I've never been to Kamloops.
I love Kamloops. They have really good apples. They have really good apples.
Apple?
Yeah. The fruit in the Okanagan is some of the best, like the apples and peaches, cherries.
You don't have to go all the way to Kamloops.
No, just have to open the fridge.
Just go to Columbia Bible College. Like you before every day one wrong.
But if you want better apples, you can go to Kamloops.
The apple was really good though. In Columbia Bible College. The apple in Columbia Bible College was really good.
Did you even eat any of them?
No.
How do you know? Are you just a pathological liar? There has to be something else interesting here. I feel like there's like a kangaroo zoo somewhere up in the Okanagan.
I'm making it up. Are you making it up?
No!
Never heard of it before.
It's some like super out of pocket animal that you would not expect. Pretty sure it's kangaroos.
41 minutes.
How long? How long?
41.
To Portland.
Yeah.
I went closer to Cloverdale here than if we were to go to Portland and all that.
Should we have done Fort Langley research? What look over there?
I'd have to look at it on a map. But to me, like, it makes more sense because this is Surrey and Cloverdale. That's
Or Cloverdale is inside. Remind me to text people when we leave Fort Langley. So like
What do you mean?
I have to text Makoto and Dorothy.
I did tell you that I have terrible memory, right?
Huh?
I did tell you that I have a terrible memory, right?
You didn't.
I do, but I'll do my best.
Good.
They only have one volume. It's just loud.
Take a seat.
Oh, it's Kelowna, but it's close. There's a kangaroo farm. So if you come back, we'll take a road trip. We'll go see kangaroos. Then you don't need to go to Australia anymore.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm so full. That's a lot of food.
Don't leave it.
I'll put it on your plate.
Stop. Oh, I got it. Oh my god. That looks bad. This is like first time finishing everything like in 2 days. Tried so hard for it.
You
You're
did
doing
a
this
great
now?
job, yeah. It's okay, because I'm a plate stacker anyways.
My eyes and your eyes are not open in the picture.
My eyes are open. They're open. What are you talking about?
Yours is this is open for you? Oh,
What do you mean, yeah?
I have such a small eyes.
It's facing into the sun. It's bright outside.
伊藤さんの LINE が 片言なんですけど。東山高校。こうずーっと見るのって大体2プログラムぐらいしかできないんですよ、1年。3ヶ月ぐらいなんで。そのうちの一つが東山高校でとても良かったです。
生徒がいいと思ってる。
I only take care of like 2 or 3 children in the summer because that's like the max rate. You have to stay with the group all the time. One of them this year.
What was the one you did before this? Did you do one before this?
I'm doing after.
Oh, just all after.
Yeah. I also took care of 2 groups last year. They're really good too. But I took care of girls school.
Oh, girls school.
Girls school last year.
Which school?
距離中。何か来るな距離。
I wanted to take Shawna, so I would have done it no matter where it was.
I think the schedule was different.
I think it was different. Oh, and
There's only one back to this year.
last year, I was still in school until the 27th of July, so I couldn't do anything before then. So if it was early and then the 27th, I couldn't have done it. But Shawna started after.
We had another to go teachers.
That's fine. As much as I hate the drive, I like my atmosphere programs.
Anything else that's like here?
I think that's it for us.
Separate?
All together.
All together? Okay.
Yes, please. Sorry.
Okay.
Why do you apologize? Why did you sorry do that?
She has to go back and get it.
It's hard out.
It's an inconvenience.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, have a great day. You're welcome.
高いレベルでチップス行って初めて見ました。
I'm a big tipper. But she was very nice, very accommodating.
日本のジェラートも美味しいですけどね。時間がない。
おしゃべり。
邪魔。邪魔でね。
So annoying. But it was fun. I'm honestly gonna miss it next week. I'll be so sad. I'll be like that. Love. Sad. I know. I'm gonna cry later. I know. I feel it sitting in my eyes. So when I have to say goodbye, I just think it's like, do I just ask for a bunch of tissues and take them home and then later? So I left all my tissues in my car, so I don't even have them on me. Oh, I'm gonna take this one. Oh. I don't want to, but I probably will. I can't believe it's over. know you still have like almost another week, but it's different. And I'm sure next week they'll be just as